Dingay, Ruben, tumira. Wala. Uy, in.
Sundo Baybay, first steal of the game.
Baybay, wala.
Steal na naman, nope. Recovered by Gatcho. Wala na.
So, ball.
Nice Leo, 30 back. 59-93.
Balik si Red.
Ramsey with the ball. Dribble. Step back jump. Basket. 61-93.
9 minutes, fourth quarter. Tropo. Pinasa
Pinasa balik kay Dio. Short yung English layup. Mahal na speed.
Uy,
Bro, pass to Ruben. Foul.
two shots. 61-93. Wala na ba? Ang balik ko ng amo.
Ano ba, Tim?
Basket, 62. 33.
Low. Oh, by the way.
Rebound by Jenes. Basket.
8 minutes and 30 seconds. Uy.
Pass to Dan. No good. Garo.
Dili.
Garo. Ito ba niya? Yeah, kita niya yan. Hindi. Kita niya.
Napanday niyo. Ay! Jason.
Number 18 with the ball. Miscommunication. Ropo, nagkape.
Ay, kagad. Sige.
Wala.
Uy!
Oh my goodness. Magumaguma.
Bounce in. Bounce out. Bounce in. Oras. 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Naku pa to oras. Renz. Safe spot. Pinasa.
Pinasa kay Jay.
Uy! Big news.
Wala. Good lang. No call. 66-95.
Okay daw. Robert na naman.
Assistant ko.
Oh.
Sige na lang.
Ruben, 3 points.
What's the call? Dili pa penalty, dili pa.
Ada kay scoreboard ito na jitla. Wah, ina itong zero kang bal.
Steal by Ruben.
Bounce. Layton State. Jiris, naghahanap ng putas. Agaw.
Nahagaw ni
Dr. Doom. Uy!
Ruben.
99-66. Uy! Bahala ka mo nga. Pare, wala ka mo.
Uy, sayang. Uy, wala
Single.
Para pa nga ni Lebron. Where's the Lebron?
We want LeBron. We want na skin B.
Amo ay, ang wala skin. Di.
Out of bounds.
101-68.
Oh, puro na umigwan score. 101. 68. Kulang scoreboard. Hindi nga timpis kasi.
Ayun. Warning, Randa. Warning.
Para 101.
Papakita ko lang
Ah,
alamang
hindi.
na
Ikaw mag-pastorya. 101-70. 644. Jason Floater. Bengo.
Bumalik na kayo. Balik.
6 minutes and 36.
Dami pa yan. Dami pang oras.
Bounce, nagdadala ng bola.
Jumpman. Jumping well. Chris Everling.
15 to shoot. 10. Uy.
Behind the back. Saktong-sakto. Wala. Yung tira kulang.
Renz. Kinasa.
Wala po.
Bahala ng talo basta may top 10. Let's go. Uy. Rebound.
Rebound. Rebound.
Jason.
Basket. 74-101.
5 minutes and 55. Bounce. Nag-bounce. Renz.
Renzi with the rebound.
Renz. Renz naka-headset. Renz.
Wow! 77-101.
Oras 5:34. Uy. Napik news. 15 to shoot. Mio.
To Jumpman. Basket.
Kuya Mahit naging 3-pointer. Wala.
Apit la.
Oras 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Jumpman with the way pass. What's the ball?
Oras 5 minutes and 3 seconds. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Nakatulog. Sorry lang. No basket by Yamaha Mio.
No basket.
Oras 5 minutes. Fourth quarter.
What's the call? 4 minutes, 54 seconds.
Kay di rin na running time. Paparuman talaga at sugain. Oras 4:54. Running time kanina. Yan na din.
79-103. No, turnover. Lumabas na naman.
Eric Referee yan. Eric Referee yan.
Naman, Arjen.
Oras 4:50.
Nagpasakan ko yung Ruben. Na gusto na assist. Ora assist kitigang gawas.
Oras 4:50.
Rep. Alinala, ay mabola na ni. Basket. 82-103. The lead is cut to 21 from 32.
4 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Long three-pointer. Long. Rebound by Renzi.
Friends.
Renzi with the 3 points. 85-103. We have ourselves a game, folks.
Roro.
Rolo on the ball. Nabuyan, divide. Basket. Sunod talaga yan. Basta. Ay! Steve by Johnson. Another basket. 107-85. Step in.
Mo pa pati yung may gamit. Anamon standing walay.
Bounce. No bounce. Wala.
Rebound by Goldman. Pass to number 19. 2-on-1. 3-on-1. 3-on-2. Pass to Jerez. Fake or whatever fake. Another highlight by Jerez. 87-107. 20-point lead. Ano nangyari?
350.
3 minutes 50 seconds remaining. Ano niya? Yay! Waray karaghinga. Waray karagpangay. Bahid ni Rono. 1-on-1.
15 to shoot.
Steal by Goldman. Pass to number 18.
Oras. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Pass to Goldman. Pass to Renzi. Another 3. Bang! He is red hot from 3-point range. Ay, let me go ahead pass. 2 points. 19-109. 19-point lead. Jerez on the ball. Oh, turnover. Roy with the steal.
Bounce. Uy.
Uy! No call.
111-90.
Balik ka 21 ng lead.
Friends.
Boss! Where have you been?
Mio. Yamaha Mio.
Hey! No trouble call. Rufo with the ball. Off the backboard. Meron pass to Renzi. Isa na naman tres para sa ta. Wala! Rebound Mero.
Oras. 2 minutes and 39. Uy. Fake news. Jump man. Nag-jump.
Nag-jump, nag-layup, nag-score. 2 minutes, 31 seconds remaining.
Jason.
Good.
Jason Rula.
Roro. 115-93. Bounce. Robo.
Basket.
Basket. 117-93.
Oras. 2:13. Basket.
25-point lead.
Uy. Foul. Dos.
2 minutes and 2 seconds. Penalty. 2 minutes, 2 seconds.
Fourth na, no? Na-score na. Score pa rin eh.
Sub!
Substitution! Sunod.
Let's go.
Two minutes remaining.
Ah!
117, number 5.
Where have you been?
Pero na, ano yung 3-point record of GG Ball Club Season 1?
1 minute and
47 seconds.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9. Shot clock. 9. 1 and 38.
Pero ito na mapalugi.
Oh.
Ay, grabe. Grabe naman yun. Walang mata sa basket. Tas sumunod pa din. Basket, 100, 119.
1 minute and 20. 1 minute and 20. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute.
Good, good. 27 seconds remaining
45.
for the record. Bang na naman. Dapat wala ka na nagtrabaho, nagkakasagabal itong pag-basketball.
40 seconds. 39.
Oo, kung kanina ito.
15. Shot clock.
Oh, ladies
Ten,
first na yun. Kulang na lang yung quarter.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Doon, maganda.
Shot clock violation.
Renzi with 28 points.
may na pa.
in less than 2 quarters. Grabe.
May dapat 10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Kaya ito mga kulang. 19 points.
7, 6,
Para 20 points. Igatag.
2, 1. Paray.
Final score, 103, 121.